There is a wonderful saying that goes, "We have two ears and one mouth, so we should use them proportionately." A lack of listening or the feeling of not being heard or understood is one of the most common and biggest sources of arguments. You could think, well, listening, it's not rocket science, and yet so many people can manage to get it right. Especially when you live with someone and speak with them every day, you can easily fall into the routine where you think you know everything they're going to say and basically don't really listen to them anymore. But your boy Carlo got your back. I have a little game for you. Everybody likes games after all. You can play it with your partner or flatmates or parents when you have something important to discuss, or also just to have some fun. But whenever you play it, I guarantee that it will help you understand each other better, prevent and solve conflicts, and also improve your listening skills. What you're going to do is set a timer for 5 minutes and let the other person speak. You are not allowed to say anything. No, I understand, or uh-huh, or yes, nothing. You're not allowed to make any sounds whatsoever for 5 minutes while the other person is talking. After 5 minutes, when the timer goes off, you switch the roles and then you get to speak for 5 minutes and the other person listens. It can feel a bit weird, but this game is wonderful because it allows both of you to speak freely without any fear of being interrupted, and also lets you practice discipline to keep quiet and listen to the person talking. The game is especially good when trying to solve an argument because it brings the emotions down a bit and makes sure that each side gets heard. What you can also add in that case is a little summary to make sure that everyone also feels understood. So after one person finishes speaking, the other person should summarize what the first person said and see if they understood it right. So next time you have something important to talk about or get into an argument, remember this game, play this little game, and it will help you resolve everything much more smoothly. And when it does, then come back to this video, click the like button, and subscribe to this channel. Oh, you knew that was coming sooner or later. Thank you for watching this video, and welcome to the Good Listener Club. You listened to me this entire video, so give yourself some credit for that. If you want me to cover something particular in the next videos, let me know in the comments, and see you next time. Thank you, and have a great day.